This car right here is a Nigerian used car and it is up for sale. How do I know that? So anywhere in Nigeria that you see water cans like this or kegs on the roof of the car, it indicates that that car is up for sale. If you're in the market looking to buy a Nigerian used car without making mistakes, then this video is for you. Aside knowing your needs and preferences, knowing your budget, having a dealer, carrying out a VIN check to ascertain the condition of the car and its mileage, you should also carry out an inspection. So there are vital things to look out for when inspecting a Nigerian used car. First off, check the tires for possible wears. Then proceed to check the exterior of the car for signs of dents, rust or scratches, which indicates any history of accidental damage. Next, check the interior of the car. Look out for stains on the upholstery of the car. Look out for stains or tears on the seat and also any damage on the dashboard. Make sure all the interior features are in proper working order. Make sure that the brakes and the steering are in proper working order by taking the car on a test drive. Ensure that all the components right here are in proper working order. The engine, the battery, and all the fluids are at the recommended levels. In other words, it is advisable to go with a professional mechanic to carry out proper checks on that vehicle you're looking to buy before making payments so that you do not make mistakes.